Okay, welcome back. So, we are at the end. Hold on. We are at the end of maple season 2022. I have the taps and buckets and lids all together here, and we'll be cleaning these over this weekend. We got in 12 more buckets yesterday from Vermont, and those will be used for next year. We will have 50 taps out next year. So the end of the season is always cleanup time, and it takes a lot of work, but that's just part of it. It's a fun project every year, and I look forward to it. And we'll be updating the evaporator this summer with a little bit more, with a few upgrades. Nothing huge, but we'll be showing that too, so that's coming up. So cleanup for maple season underway. Hope you're having a good Friday. Just wanted to check in, and thanks for watching, subscribing, liking, and commenting to your heart's desire. And I hope you had a good St. Patty's Day.